Hey everyone, I have a special guest with me today, my best buddy. She is visiting me while I'm filming, so I just wanted to show you. This is one of my best friends. I know her since 1984. Yes, that's it. Just wanted to show you she stopped by. I'll be back with a 5-minute eyeshadow look. Keep watching. Today I'm going to create an eyeshadow look, very easy, and it's only going to take 5 minutes. I want you to get out of the door, go do what you gotta do, spend a little bit of time with yourself, and your makeup don't have to take long. So 5 minutes is all we have, and I am going to do it. Now I am going to start with orange. My eyes have already been based. I am going to put orange everywhere I can think of because I don't have a plan. I just know it's 5 minutes to get out the door. And that is what I am going to do. Get your palettes out, follow along, and let us see if we can finish this eye look in 5 minutes. So this is the first color that I have just put down. This is orange. I'm coming in with the third shade and I'm going to put it in the brow bone. It's a skin tone. And I'm blending it with the orange. Remember, this is a 5-minute eyeshadow makeup look. And it has to look good so we can step out the house and go do what we have to do. If you look, this one doesn't have any because you can see it's shiny. And if you look, this one has. Can you tell the difference? Let me know in the comments. Okay, this is what the eyes are looking like. I need one more color and I'm going to put it right here with this pencil brush. And it's a dark purple, just to give it a little bump right here. Nothing much. Like this. You see the difference right here? Take a look. I have hooded eyes. And then look over here. You see how we change it? Just a little bit. Today's item is I accept my uniqueness. I accept my uniqueness. You accept your uniqueness. It is important for us to accept that because all of us cannot be the same. That's why we are different and we're unique for a purpose. Now the reveal is coming. I am back with the 5-minute eyeshadow makeup look. Take a look. I use 3 colors. Skin tone in the brow bone, orange all over the eyes, including the lids, and then just in the corner, I tuck a little purple just to break it up and give me a little bit of pizzazz. But you can add any color you feel like, use any shades that you prefer, and create your 5-minute look and get out of the house to go to work or run your errands. Thank you all again for watching. I am happy that you took the time to watch my video. Until I see you and you see me, do not dim your light for another. You are important in this universe. I will talk to you shortly. Bye.